Hey beauties, this is the second part to the video that I started with the royalty look that I did. As you can see, I've already done my eyes, and as promised, this is the foundation and concealer part that I do with my regimen when I'm doing my looks. Also, I want to talk to y'all about our raffle that we have going on right now. The first place prize is worth over $450. That includes a handmade lace front wig made by myself. The wig that I have on in this video right here is a handmade wig, custom colored and everything, by myself. So you will receive a wig like that between 10 and 18 inches. You'll receive the Khimani L signature palette, a Ariel C palette, a Slay, me and those slays, right? This SlayyMatte Lippie. We'll have some new colors coming out too, y'all. And 3 individual makeup brushes, which will be random for the Lippie and for the brushes, okay? You guys, that's the first place prize. That is worth over $450 alone. Just the hair itself, it's human hair. It's 9A grade hair. The wig will last you up to 3 years with good care and conditioning, with which I can give you tips on to help your hair and your wig last longer. The second place winner will receive an Aaliyah Rose palette, which is all glitters, 35 colors of beautiful glitters. An Ariel C palette, which includes those mattes and those shimmers that you need to include with that Aaliyah Rose. And you'll get a SlayyMatte Lippie, a random color, and like I said, we'll have some different shades available for y'all. The third place winner will receive a IceCream Dreamz palette. That is one of our top palettes right there. An IceCream Dreamz palette and a SlayyMatte Lippie, which again will be a random color, and it will come from our new color collection. These raffle tickets are available on our website for $3 each. If you purchase them on the website, then you can purchase them in bundles, individually, however you want to purchase them. If you purchase them in bundles, then you get a free gift with them, which you get to choose your free gift when you make that purchase from our website. So head over to www.SlayyCosmetics.com. Of course, 2 Y's, y'all. Slayed, SLAYYED, SlayyCosmetics.com, and click on New Year's raffle, and that's where you can get the bundles. You can get an individual raffle ticket, or you can choose bundles, as I said before. This raffle is an unbelievable raffle. This is our first big raffle for the year. We have a lot more coming, a lot bigger raffles coming. But $3, y'all cannot beat this, especially for a human hair lace front wig included with that handmade. That wig alone is probably about $450, so really it's really valued at more than $450, but I just put $450 there for the wig amount. I didn't really count the cosmetic amount. But long story short, I talk a lot, y'all. I want y'all to go ahead and enjoy the rest of this slay that I have going on here. And once I'm done, y'all go ahead and head over to SlayyCosmetics.com and get y'all raffle ticket. If you do want to get individual raffle tickets, we do accept individual raffle tickets through Cash App only. Those are individual only. Now, if you want to get bundles, you head to the website. And if you want to get bundles and individuals, if you just want to get an individual ticket and you want to do it real fast, then just Cash App $Slayed Cosmetics, which I'll put here on the screen for you. put your full name and the number of tickets you're purchasing. And that way we'll have you and your, oh, of course, your email address. So we'll be able to contact you if you win. So that's pretty much it, y'all. I want y'all to go ahead and enjoy the rest of the sleigh. Right now, as you can see, I'm doing my concealing under my eyes. I'm using 2 different colors. I'm using medium beige, and then I'm going back in with fawn, just because I wanted it a little lighter around my cheeks today. So y'all go ahead and check out the sleigh, and remember, subscribe, y'all. Go head over, get those raffle tickets. The raffle's not gonna end until we have enough. We're not giving away any free hair, you know what I'm saying? We gotta have enough raffle tickets in. So y'all head over and y'all get those raffle tickets. $3, y'all. $3 for one raffle ticket for a chance at a $450 plus, you know, valued prize. Okay, so head over and do that. I'll check y'all out later. Enjoy the video, and remember, subscribe, check out our Slayy Beauties, and like, comment, and share. Love y'all. Peace.